Hey guys, it's me. Stay tuned for this pager test video.
Fire, Black River DNR, Cataract First Responders. This is your pager test. NHA 72. Ambulance, Toma Fire, Toma Rescue Techs, Bill Fire and First Responders, Warrants Fire and First Responders, Toma DNR. This is your pager test. 6 o'clock, NHA 782. Caption First Responders, Norwalk Fire, Norwalk First Responders, Wilton Fire, and Wilton Ambulance. This is your weekly pager test. Pager test only do not respond. NHA 782 at 1801.
Monroe to I'll call fire, I'll call EMS. This is your weekly pager test. Pager test only do not respond to NHA 782 1822.
Fire, Monroe County Hazmat, Sparta Ambulance Group. This is your pager test. 6 o'clock, NHA 782.